So today lesson we're gonna talk about the moving averages and the difference between them. We will not discuss all of them, but the important one, like the one we use on basically on daily basis, which is like the smoothing moving averages, so they call simple moving averages, and the EMA, exponential moving averages, and the difference between them. So the moving average in a simple term or a simple way to say it is it's calculating the average price over a period of time. So let's say, for example, like you have the period or the setting of 200 or 50. So it's the average price of 50 candle or 200 candle in a period of time, and then it gives you the smooth calculation of how the price movement, and then it can detect the trend. And the way we use them and the difference between them, it depends on what type of traders you are. So let's say if you are a short-term trader, um, you use exponential moving averages because it weighs more the recent movement and the changes in price compared to the simple or the smooth moving averages, which is most suitable for long-term traders. So the long-term traders, they use the SMA, and usually, let's say, the 50 and the 200 moving averages, and we will see a live example for that one. Is a simple examples like when the 50 moving average, smooth moving average cross over the 200, the price is moving up, it's uptrend, and when it cross below, then the price is moving down. For the EMA exponential, we will use the 10 or 50 and 10 if you are a short-term traders. But I suggest that you mostly use that one if you are scalping. So for scalping intraday, these people, they would probably use the EMA exponential moving averages. And we will see a live example like how the two things are like different. So in a live example, I need you to go to indicator and then you type here smooth moving average or simple moving average. In this case, we use smoothing moving average. It's a free indicator, so you don't need to have the paid version of TradingView. You can have access to this one, smooth moving average. And then you click it twice, and then we change the setting of this one, and then we add one exponential. So we have one exponential and two smooth moving averages, and then we change the setting from here. So I made the 200, so I changed the input here. The default setting will be like 7, so we change it to 200. The length or the period is 200, and then we make this size, and then you can change the color. So I made the 200 is the red one, and the white one is the 50 smooth moving average, and then the exponential is just 10. And then the time frame, it's up to you. It can work for all time frame, but in this case, let's just use, let's say, the 15-minute moving average. And then you go back so you can see how it works. We see that the 50 crossed the 200 moving average. The blue one is the 10 EMA, and you can see that it followed the price action closely. But here, example, like the 50 cross above the 200, and not only moving up as an uptrend, but it act as a support for the price. So it touch here, continue up, it went below a little bit here, but still continue up, It went up, 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 up. And then what you notice here? It crossed below. So the 50 moving average, it crossed below the 200. And then the price start descending. You have it working as a resistance line, which is the 50 smooth moving average. And as you can see, it touch, goes down, it touch again, it goes down, till you have again here a very big drop, went up, touch again here, still go down, and then this is the recent price action. So now on Monday, when the market open, you wait for the 50 moving average. So just to be clear, we don't use the moving average by itself. It has to be with other things, other confluences. So if you are using the smart money concept, you use it with the block orders, you use the Fibonacci, you use other things. What I expect to see on Monday is this move. The price initially when the market opened, and we are discussing gold here, just so you understand. This is gold. So what I expect on Monday is a drop to here to the 50% in Fibonacci, and then still continue up, take all the liquidity here. If the white 50 smooth moving average cross above the 200, then we might see a huge move up. It's an uptrend. If this one is respected, continue down, might go down and collect all this liquidity below here. So both scenario possible.